Hello, everyone. Have you ever subscribed to an app like Shortmax for a weekly pass, VIP, or any other subscription, and suddenly everything becomes a problem? You receive a confirmation email saying your purchase was successful, but when you open the app, the subscription is not activated. Or maybe you just want to cancel your subscription, but when you check your Play Store or App Store subscription settings, the subscription isn't even there. And to make it worse, your money keeps getting deducted every time the subscription renews. You try searching on YouTube for answers, but you keep running into the same tutorials that don't help at all. Don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to cancel a subscription even if it doesn't appear in your phone's subscription list so you can finally stop the charges and fix the issue for good. If Shortmax keeps charging you weekly but doesn't show up under your iPhone subscriptions, there are a few possible reasons and steps you can take to stop it. Why it might not show up in subscriptions. The subscription may not have been processed through the App Store Apple ecosystem. Some apps or services use a third-party payment platform instead of Apple's in-app purchase. In that case, the subscription won't appear under Settings Subscriptions. You might be signed in with a different Apple ID than the one used to purchase the subscription. Subscriptions are tied to the Apple ID used at purchase. The description of Shortmax in the App Store mentions, since your payment was processed through a third-party platform, if you wish to request a refund or cancel your subscription, please contact your original payment channel. This strongly suggests that the subscription may be managed outside of Apple's system, so it wouldn't appear in your iPhone's subscriptions. What you can do to stop the charges. 1. Check your email receipt or bank statement. Find the charge for Shortmax and see the billing descriptor. This may show whether it's billed by Apple or a different company. 2. Open Shortmax app or its website. Look for account subscription settings there. There may be a built-in cancel subscription or manage subscription option. 3. Contact Shortmax support. Since the App Store page notes that if payment was via a third party, Shortmax themselves handle cancellations. The developer listed email shorttv.service@shorttv.live. 4. If you believe the charges are improper or unauthorized, contact your bank or card issuer. You could request to block future payments or dispute the charges if they won't stop after cancellation attempts. If you're experiencing this issue right now and want the full step-by-step guide on how to stop the charges and cancel the subscription completely, check my pinned comment for the full tutorial.